Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Realtor.com messaging templates to reply faster. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Realtor.com messaging templates, start by logging into your Realtor.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Look for the settings icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access your account settings. In the settings menu, find the section labeled Messaging. Select the Messaging option to open the messaging settings. You should see a tab for templates within the messaging section. Click on the Templates tab to view existing templates or create new ones. To create a new messaging template, look for the Add Template button. Click on that Add Template button to open the template editor. In the editor, enter a relevant title for your template. Then, write the message you want to use as a template response. Make sure to keep it concise and professional. Once you're satisfied with your message, save the template. You can now return to the templates list to organize your templates as needed. To enable the templates for quick replies, make sure the Enable Templates option is checked. You can now select templates quickly while responding to inquiries. Test out your new templates with a sample message to ensure they work as intended. This will help you reply faster and manage communications more efficiently. Enjoy your streamlined messaging experience on Realtor.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.